Recently, I went to Home Depot. I needed plumbing, electrical, and some miscellaneous items. Now, I took one of the seejanedrill team members with me so we could split up the shopping list and get it done quickly. Now, I don't know if anybody has noticed this, but they're locking up the non-metallic sheathed cable. They're literally locking it up like it's gold, but we all know it's copper, right? So here's the thing. When my team member came back and he said, "You're not gonna believe how much 15 feet of cable costs." And I was like, well, they're locking it up now. It's gotta be sky high. So I said, it's probably about $29. He said, think again. I said, it's higher? He says, it's $44, Leah. And I said, $44 for 15 feet of cable? That's crazy. So at that moment, we got together and we said, well, where else can we go? And I said, you know what? I'm just curious. What does it sell for on Amazon? Hey everybody, I'm out in the shop today and I'm wiring. Actually, I'm doing a three-way switch on the mock-up behind me for the Dream Home Accelerator course that's gonna start in just a few short weeks. But later about that, I got something to tell you about Home Depot. And I gotta tell you right off the bat, it surprised the heck out of me. So recently I went to Home Depot because, like I said, I'm doing a three-way switch and I needed wire that I didn't have in the shop. I went with another team member and I sent him to electrical to pick up the wire, plus, a few other things, some wire nuts, some staples, and all like that. And I went over to plumbing because we're also doing a plumbing mock-up for the Dream Home Accelerator course. Now, once we finished our shopping lists, we met up. My team member came back and he said, "You're not gonna believe how much 15 feet of cable costs." And I was like, well, they're locking it up now. It's gotta be sky high. So I said, it's probably about $29. He said, think again. I said, it's higher? He says, it's $44, Leah. And I said, $44 for 15 feet of cable? That's crazy. So at that moment, we got together and we said, well, where else can we go? And I said, you know what? I'm just curious. What does it sell for on Amazon? On Amazon, 15 feet of the same exact type of cable sells for $9.50. I couldn't believe it. After I looked up this cable on the internet, I said, hey, listen, let's go through what we have in our cart here and see what the prices are. Maybe this is just, maybe it's just one thing. Every single item I had in my cart was so much less on Amazon. I couldn't believe the price differences. We're not just talking about a few cents here and there, okay? Now, there were, in all fairness, there were those items that were about the same price. It was just maybe 20, 30 cents more at Home Depot. But just about every single item in my cart was substantially more. I needed to pick up a solder kit in plumbing, just flux and some solder, and it was like I think it was like around $27. But on Amazon, it's several dollars less. I just started looking up all the items we had in our cart. It wasn't anything that I needed right away, so I just went home and ordered it on Amazon. And I gotta tell you, I wound up saving a substantial amount. Now, it's only fair to mention that Home Depot does have a price match guarantee. Now, if you look at the price match guarantee, they don't match the prices of third-party products. And so a lot of product on Amazon is third-party. But maybe you're better off just shopping on Amazon and price matching there if you can, because I think you're gonna save a lot of money like I did this past weekend. And if you need lumber or you need something right away, then shoot up to Home Depot. But if you've got time, I would really encourage you to check the prices first. Now we've got to do our part as well. We've got to become more informed consumers so that we're not easily duped or taken advantage of by these businesses, which is one of the reasons why I was so driven to create the seejanedrill Dream House course. And I got to tell you, it's going to give you the skills that you need to make any repair in your house or to do any remodeling job, big or small, and really transform your home into your dream home. Now listen, I want you to check out the masterclass in the description below. Click on that link, check it out. This is an exciting course. And the truth is, well, spaces are filling up and we only have a few spaces left. I gotta tell you, I'd love it to be you. This is Leah saying, you can do this.